Alright, so this is the McGRAW 21 gallon oil-free vertical air compressor. I just got picked this up at Harbor Freight. Just unboxing here, gonna see what's in it. I've already cut the tape and things up here. So let's see. Got some really nice heavy rubber wheels. It's like the hardware for the wheels. Let's see how this thing's boxed in here. Alright. Well, let's lay this thing over. It's like the bottom's already almost open. Everything looks good, nothing's broke. Alright, well, I'm going to assemble this thing and then we'll break it out and try it out. Alright, so let's go ahead and assemble the wheel. So here's what we have. We just have this basic shim, this bushing here, this hub assembly. It's going to go in with this bolt, you know, in this order, and then I don't really think it matters which side. Oh yeah, it does. So this hub of this wheel here is a little bit longer, so I'm going to put that towards the inside. Lock washer. Alright, and then we'll just repeat that for the other side. There are instructions if you'd like to read them. Alright, now we're just going to tighten those up. Alright, so I just have a 5/8 and then a 5/8 end wrench, or end wrench here that, you know, just tighten these up. You can snug them up because that bushing in there is not going to let you tighten it, you know, past where it's going to bind with that wheel. All right, now we're just going to stand it up, and I'm going to read through the manual and go through the braking instructions. Alright, so the break-in here says to, you know, basically plug the thing in, turn it on, open up the drain valve, and just let it pump freely for about 30 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do. This is also a good time too, whenever you run it like this, at the end of it, you let it pump up, and then you can close everything down. Before you hook your hoses up and everything, you can really see if there's any leaks in the system. So Alright, so it's not very loud at all, but here it is running. So I'm going to set the timer and I'm going to let this thing run for about 30 minutes. And then we'll hook everything up and go from there.